On the mound is this young man by the name of Mark Fidrych, and I guess the pictures can tell most everything, Bob Uecker, but there's a lot about him that we maybe don't understand. At 330, 4 homers, 34 runs batted in. Ball 1, batting at 409 in that streak. Bounce to first baseman. Thompson, 1 out. Batted in. Popped it straight up the shaft. It may be up in the seats. We'll have to wait and see how she's going to spin down. Whoa, they battle for it.
I'll tell you something.
In the stands, it's anybody's baseball. Ball. Foul. That hurt a puppy.
This can be a sinking fastball right here. And he... Well...
Up towards second baseman Garcia. And on to Thompson, 2 away. In between hop there. Here's Carlos May, the designated batter. Mr. Hop.
And no right fielder. No right fielder. But yet came on to win the ball game. Through 9 innings. Or 11.
In their very last at bat.
Lineup is not afraid to come inside to the left-handers as he did right there. Pitch it tight. He's got good stuff.
That's a base hit to left field off the end of the bat. Now, to show you about his velocity, the pitch before that, he fired the ball at 90.
The inactive list.
Foul on a check back. This is red one. Foul back. DiMaggio. Even 325 to right, then fades out. And Fidrych just threw it right by as he turned off the lights on Mr. Chambliss. So they strand a runner, and we go now to the Detroit.
Mark Fidrych now working against Greg Nettles. Nettles had a couple of home runs in the 225, so he's starting to hit the ball.
All right, we got a count now in that game shortly, once it resumes. And there's a ball popped up the third base side. Rodriguez going back, fair territory. The ball spinning in there. He grabbed it. And born out in Alabama, and a strike to him. This broke in. We're going to have it right here on ABC next Monday night. There's a foul tip.
Phillies and the Dodgers.
We might as well pitch it 10. 1 ball, 2 strikes to Aurelio Rodriguez. Foul back. I have a lifetime against the Tigers, so he's not had it real easy against them. There's a ball hit high right. Looks like it's playable by Staub. It is, and a fair ball catch. So Oscar
continually pitching those left-handed batters inside. There's not much margin for error in there. He's giving a good target for Fidrych.
That's hit very deep down the right center. Going back to Staub, and that baby, you can kiss it goodbye. Elrod hit number 3 out of here, and it's a 2-1 ball game. That was the 18th home run on Monday Night Baseball here with ABC. 15 have come with nobody on now. And what a steal he's been. All right, go Cubs. All right, high fly ball, left field, Mickey Stanley and LaFleur. LaFleur cuts in front of him.
With it, and as Mark Fidrych said, a lot of pitchers do it with their feet. He does it with his hand. Nothing wrong with that.
This is Jim Mason.
They saw him pitch last Thursday in Boston.
Got a pretty good, I'll tell you that. 1 ball, 1 strike. Bounced up toward Randolph. Or rather up towards hit the facade with a home run off Fidrych, and now it's a 2-1 ball game. 1 out to Mickey.
Fidrych talking to that ball.
Foul.
Come on, ball, right down there.
And right down on a fine play by Jason Thompson.
I believe him all the time when he's talking out there.
I was just wondering whether or not he's laying. Ball 1 here to Roy White. Bounced out to second first time up. And slams a ball a little doer down the left field line. That thing running loose out there. And Roy's got himself a 2-base popper. Oh, that's
the way he pitches, staying downstairs. I believe he's got it all.
Location. And he does not walk too many. Haven't lost one. This is his 9th start. Bounced down towards second. And they throw him out. So
Runner back, the Birdman. There's an inside fastball as you get a good look at Mark Fidrych. Right field, Rusty Staub, running grab, and he's got it. Fine running.
Roars back, and he had it very, very easily right in the glove.
In fact, he almost overran the ball. Careful inside, too. That's what he's saying. He hung a slider and he leaned, and he's got webbed feet. No, that's not true. Inside breaking ball. Is almost behind the bag at second base for Nettles. And claims quickly to pull. Right field base hit. Nettles lines a single to right field. And that for the Yankees. Field, so. Oscar Gamble high and outside. This young guy knows what he's doing. Knows what he wants to do anyway. And he'll do it again. Breaking ball is high. 3. Bullseye. Good second. And we might see him go. Oscar Gamble. Left center field chasing LaFleur. He's going to get there. He's got it. Ron LaFleur hauls down that drive off the bat of the catcher. He homered his last time up. And his first time up. He looks at a curveball stopped in a collision at home plate with Charlie Spikes. And that just missed. Julio Rodriguez, you saw, I shot him playing way off the bag for Hendricks. Right field up in the air. Not deep. Ron LaFleur in right center. Puts it away. Sides retired. Good job for the Yankees, I'll tell you that. Fidrych delivers. That's that sinking fastball.
Out in the All-Star game at second base for the American League.
Low and outside, 2-0. Went 3-0 before Nettles base hit him. Bullseye with a fastball.
You compare the strikeouts to the walks.
Shortstop side, Tom Verizor. Strong throw, and he got him. Pitch, or around the area where he wants to throw it. And he missed. Not by Jim Mason, the Yankee shortstop. Left center field, Mickey Stanley is there. Called off by LaFleur, but Stanley grabs that one. The leadoff batter and the center fielder. Second base side. Pete Garcia. Throw got him. Sides retired. Easy. He doubled his last time up. Just a second. In the third, he doubled down the left field line. Center field going to be an easy play for Ron LaFleur. Puts it away. One down. Struck out. So he had a single his first time up. Bounced to second. Shabless. Tell you, if that ball starts talking back, he's in trouble.
That he's in trouble, right.
Good fastball. Baseman is playing him a good 15 feet off the line at third. And he missed. He knows where he wants this pitch to be. Second base side, Pedro Garcia. Throw to Thompson. 2 down.
Because they didn't offer enough money for me coming out of college like that. When I did get into college and try to have a better year, and maybe I could come up with a better bonus.
Hit in the air to left field. Mickey Stanley puts it away. Sides retired.
Because Billy gives me the sign. The other guys wouldn't even give me the sign or let me run.
Third baseman Greg Nettles, ex-manager who gave him the go sign. Top of the 7th, 2-1 Tigers. Talking to the ball. Do your thing, ball. That'll play. Mark Fidrych. 2-2 to Nettles.
6 in a row. He's beaten Cleveland, Milwaukee, Texas, California, Kansas City, Minnesota, and Boston. He's trying to get near
The Tigers, but one was a 2-run homer by Rusty Staub in the first inning.
He said the Yankees didn't bother him, did they?
3-2 to Nettles. Fidrych can't get it. Garcia, no play. That'll be a base hit for Greg Nettles.
Outstanding camera work that time. Saw it from every angle possible.
The 2-strike pitch. Easy play for LaFleur. And Nettles fakes a tag.
To run on Ron LaFleur. He's got an outstanding throwing arm.
Swing and a miss to Hendricks with his lead off first. A one-strike pitch to Hendricks.
6 out of 8 will be there next Monday night on ABC.
Most of his career with the Orioles. Mickey Stanley. 2 gone for the Yankees.
Committed 10 errors.
Fidrych fields his position well and throws out Randolph by 45.
Bob, they might be around there come September.
Mason hits the first pitch. Garcia, easy play, 4-3 if you're scoring, and there's 1 down. His last shot to increase it to 21. And ready to go. The 1-strike pitch to Rivers. Make it 2. 2-strike pitch to Rivers.
I'm going to hard slider. He hit him on the fist.
2 strikes to Rivers. I'll tell you, the fans, the Tigers going in only 2 games out of second. For Reiser. 2 down, 6-3 if you're scoring.
Still bringing it on.
Roy White, 1 for 3, takes a ball double in the 3rd.
Ball, move that ball.
2 balls.
Pitchers involved in this game tonight working on the streak of Rivers.
And White swings at the 2-ball, no count, base hit. White will try for second, stops throw. He is in there.
And throw that ball from right field.
Carlos May, Wanderers lead by 2. Rule and Lamont. 1-1 to May. Easy play for Garcia, and that's it for the Yankees. So, as the Tigers blowing, huffing, puffing. And he gets the first one.
Make it in tonight, Water. He may well have the best winning percentage in baseball.
He got him.
Young man to be on his staff, I'll tell you that.
Garcia. 2 down in the ninth.
Oh, I'll bet you he threw.
The 1-strike pitch to Gamble. Fidrych has not. Right field, well hit. LaFleur falls down. It's off the wall. And Gamble stumbles and comes back to first. Gamble maybe missed the bag. LaFleur is down. Fans are cheering, let's go Mark. Here's Hendricks. The Tigers lead 5-1. And here comes Fidrych off the mound. 2 balls inside, ball 3 and too high right now.
Well, he's in there with that fastball.
The 3-1 to Hendricks. Hey, it's in there. To the Hendricks. The fans ready to explode. Here's your pitch. Ground ball should be the ball game. It's over. And the Tigers act like Fidrych has just won the 7th game of the World Series.
He has.